guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Melissa here, and yeah, I'm back with another hair tutorial, of course. And today it's about this hair color here, plum at the roots, and then it fades down to like a purpley grayish color. And let me just show you quickly what three colors I mixed together. Let's start with this pink color here. Come on, yeah. This is the Pink Pop Color Refresh, and I have used this one on its own previously. If you remember and follow me on Instagram, you saw that I had really bright pink hair once. Since then, I also bought a black, and after that I also bought the black, the white one, which is the white mix. I don't know if you've heard of Nila. This is like a conditioning, or it says nourishing mask with color pigments. So this is super healthy to color your hair basically. I'll show you a picture like how my hair looked like when I was in New York, and it's just slightly different than now, and I loved it so much I wanted to do it again, but I knew that I had to do the video as well. So if you'd like to know how I mix it and how to achieve this kind of ombre hair, please keep on watching. Bye! Here we are with my dirty hair, which I gave a good wash before we start. My roots are more yellow, but I didn't want to bleach again, knowing I'll be covering it with a darker color anyway. These are the tools we need: a plastic bowl, brush, and whisk if you've got one. I'm giving you the simple ratio, and hopefully it's not too complicated. If you need to mix more, just use the same ratio obviously. If you want it cooler, add a bit more black but less pink, and if you want it lighter, add more white. Just try it out. I'm getting a plum color which is warmer than I've done previously. It's just fun experimenting. The mirror I had was on the side and not in front of me, but I hope you can still see what I'm doing. I simply added the mask on the roots, splitting my towel dried hair kind of vertically and diagonally like I usually do when I tone my hair. After the roots are done, I'm using a comb to simply comb my hair. With the rest of the mixed mask, I apply it to my hands and add it to the rest of my hair, as you can see here. When that's done, you can comb your hair again just to make sure you covered everything. I then just leave the mask in for about half an hour and wash it out, and we end up with purple ombre hair. I hope you liked the video and have subscribed to my channel. See you next time. Bye!